Namaskar, I am your host Narayana. In this video, I will expose Mamata Banerjee and her TMC leaders. After the arrest of TMC leaders in Narada case yesterday, Mamata Banerjee is leveling allegations that it is a political vendetta and a political conspiracy carried out by the BJP. She must understand that people are not fools. They are aware of the full story of Narada scam. They have not forgotten. The story is that the sting operation was funded by the TMC Rajya Sabha MP K.D. Singh against his own party leaders. We do not know what was the reason. For this, he used Matthew Samuel, who was working in his magazine called Tehelka. So K.D. Singh prepared a plan to fix his own party leaders, and he and Matthew Samuel created a fake Chennai-based company called Impex Consultancy Solutions. And an Aadhaar card was issued to Matthew Samuel in the name of Santosh Shankar. This was done to dig deep into the Sharada scam, which had surfaced just recently in those days. As they were investigating, they met a taxi driver who was popularly called by the locals as Tiger. And Tiger introduced Matthew Samuel to Iqbal Ahmed. He was then the deputy mayor of Kolkata Municipal Corporation, and he also introduced an IPS officer by name SMH Mirza. Both Iqbal Ahmed and Mirza were acquainted with Subrata Mukherjee, Firhad Hakim, and Aparupa Poddar. Mirza also introduced Matthew Samuel to Madan Mitra and Mukul Roy. After the introductions, Matthew Samuel and his colleague Angel Abraham conducted a 52-hour sting operation. In this footage, prominent politicians resembling Mukul Roy, Sugata Roy, Kaholi Ghosh, Dastidar, Prasun Banerjee, Suvendu Adhikari, and Sultan Ahmed, Madan Mitra, Subrata Mukherjee, Firhad Hakim, and Iqbal Ahmed were seen accepting bribes. K.D. Singh had plans to spend rupees 25 lakh to conduct the sting operations in the initial stages, but increased it to rupees 80 lakh as the number of potential targets increased vastly. The TMC leaders initially denied the charges, but later they claimed that the money was received in the form of donations. On June 17, 2016, first legal step was taken by Kolkata police after there was a backlash from the people who were cheated in Sharada scam. Soon the BJP and the Congress also filed PILs in Calcutta High Court asking for impartial probe. Then the Calcutta High Court directed CBI to probe the case after it had raised doubts uh, regarding the impartiality of the probe conducted by West Bengal police. And the footage was certified as authentic by the Central Forensic Laboratory. Even the Supreme Court rejected an appeal by West Bengal state to stall CBI probe. On 17 April 2017, the CBI filed a FIR against 12 TMC leaders for criminal conspiracy. So Mamata Banerjee, it is not political vendetta or conspiracy carried out by the BJP. The investigations were on since 2016, and it was not the BJP which conducted the sting operations but by TMC MP KD Singh. And also remember, the Congress also had filed a PIL seeking impartial probe. So whom are you fooling, Mamata Banerjee? Do you want to violate the rule of law? Are you above the Supreme Court? No. People will not keep quiet, especially the Hindus. Even if the government, the central government, doesn't initiate actions against you, constitutional actions against you, the Hindus will raise their voice, and it will be a tough time for the TMC government.